What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get the deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we've built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Vechain here, and as we can see, it is actually starting to get a nice little pickup off the bottom, with Bitcoin looking as though it may be bottoming out. After getting horribly overextended to the downside over the past few weeks, let's be honest, we've seen so many bullish divergences, as we've said previously. And we can see with Vechain here, today it's having a really nice pickup off this low. It's basically come down, as we said, perfectly come down, touched that bottom of that macro channel that we've been talking about, and it's basically sat pretty much perfectly down onto that 0.50. If we take a look here, it did try to push to the downside yet again. We can see here, basically we've got some mad bullish divergences. The RSI here, very flat, almost, making a higher low, looking like it's very flat across the bottom. And then you can see here price action coming down. We do see ourselves having a very basically overextended to the downside Vechain. You can see here as well, this whole area, a massive bullish divergence most likely. You can see quite clearly there's a lower low on the RSI back here and a higher low. You can see the divergence with the price action, and we are getting that pickup after the double bottom back test. You can see here there's pretty much a double bottom here, back testing that 0.50 of that fib pull of the overall move from that 28-cent level, fib pull all the way down to 5 cents. You can see it quite clearly. Take a look at the daily time frame, fib pull from up here from the 28-cent level to the 5-cent level, and then you can see this fib level here, the 0.50 coming down and being respected like an absolute beast. On our hourly time frame, you can see it quite clearly. We did come down, get that back test, and now that move to the upside. You can see we've come up all the way to around 13.3 cents where we have got stuck on that swing high. We've come back tested, looking as though we are getting a little bit stuck in this area of resistance here, but quite clear that we want to be breaking out of these downtrends. You can see there's probably a little bit of a downtrend like this, but just draw this in correctly, that we are still stuck under a little bit of a channel like forming something like this. But obviously if we do get that breakout back test, as we've been saying for a while, we are targeting back towards the 618 at 14.7 cents. So overall, would say Vechain looking pretty good. Obviously, it's been underperforming for a good while now, just coiling up for a huge move. Massive move since the COVID crash. Huge coiling motion for a good while here. You can see how parabolic it went before, so it's had a really long, prolonged correction and consolidation. And now it looks as though we've got the breakout, the back test, and then if we do get that massive pump now with that parabolic move, we will be looking towards that $1 level that we have been targeting for a good while. I know it doesn't seem close right now, but Vechain is clearly a crypto that can move very fast. You can see it here, this ramp. And now that we're coiling up, if we do start to see something like this again and we get that ramp into the end of the bull run, we're probably going to be looking at a very nice price target for Vechain. So looking at the short-term price predictions then, if we roll over, heading back down towards, the 0.50 for one more retest would probably be, what we're looking at, or more reasonably, probably coming down potentially to that 12.5 cent level like this, which is a previous, support flipped into resistance. If we can flip it back into support, get the breakout and that continuation, that would be beautiful. And we are targeting that 618 at the 14.7 cent level there if we move to the upside. And then as we just said, we do think 50 cents to $1 for Vechain, very likely. We do really think that that $1 level will be achieved. You can see obviously on the 227 extension as well, more like well over $2. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto support is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further. giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.